As a freelance writer, I deal with a lot of clients who outsource to me to do the work that somebody else is hiring them to do. So they're like acting as intermediaries where they have their own clients who pay them, I guess, a lot to do certain writing projects. And then they hire me to actually do the work for a lot less. And then the intermediaries keep the difference in cost. Which, look, I don't mind that. I understand it. It helps me get a lot more work. But the problem is the, is the miscommunication between the actual clients and my clients. So I find myself in situations where my clients don't give me all the information that their clients are giving them for the assignment. So they'll give me like a basic like 2 sentence description of what needs to be done. Like like for example, if I'm writing a blog article or ebook, they'll give me the topic and like maybe a one or 2 sentence description of what it's about. But they won't go into like SEO requirements or specific subtitles that they want, or keywords that they want. They don't give me that information. Or specific topics they want or subtopics they want covered underneath the main topic, things like that. Very specific information that I would need to do the article successfully. And they don't give me that information, so I do the writing assignment based on the limited information I'm given, and then I turn it in, and then their client looks at it, doesn't like it, and then my client tells me about, basically gives me the comments that their client is giving them. They like paste it in an email to me, and then I look at it, and I'm like, well, wait a minute, all the complaints that are in this review, are not my fault because you didn't give me the requirements that they're talking about. So then what happens is I end up having to redo the whole assignment because my client didn't give me all the information that their client may or may not have given them. I don't know. But the problem is, even if I ask questions to my client to clarify something, my client doesn't, convey those questions to their client. Or if they do, they don't give me the response. I don't know. I don't get clarification in the way I should. So I end up, not doing the assignment correctly. And then it becomes more work for me. So that's where I'm at. What I'm trying to get at is, if you're going to outsource to a freelance writer, make sure they have all the information. Make sure, treat it as if you're the one actually doing the writing, which means get all of the clarification you need from your client, get all of the requirements, make sure there's no misunderstandings, and then give that information to the freelancer, which would be me, so that I know how to do the assignment. Because I feel like my clients just don't care. They'll outsource to me, give me, a little bit of information, and then, just wait to collect the money, right? Because their client is paying them more than my client's paying me, and then they keep the difference. And that's all they really care about. They don't actually care about making sure it's a successful project. But since I'm the one who has to do the work, then it's on me to do it right. So I just wish my clients would have a little bit more understanding about that, about giving me the right information that their client is giving them or not giving them, which means they need to clarify what their client wants so that I know the right thing to do, basically. I know that this is just a ranting video. There's no real point to it except to just give friendly advice to those who outsource to freelance writers. Just have a little respect for the freelance writers by giving them all the information that your client is giving you, or if they don't give you the information, get clarification first before hiring a freelance writer. That way the freelance writer doesn't have to take extra time to do the editing and the rewriting and all that, because it's not fair to them if you didn't give them the information initially. That's all I have to say. Again, this is a rant video. I just needed to let it out. Let it out. Us writers, we gotta let it out sometimes. You know what I mean? Anyway, like, subscribe, and more pointless videos like this to come. But I will also do more pronunciation videos, which are not pointless. They're very important. In fact, I'm about to upload a new pronunciation video very soon. So you're going to want to look out for that. All right. Thanks a lot. Bye.